How to cancel Uber Eats membership. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to cancel your Uber Eats membership or Uber One subscription. Let's get started. Start by opening the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your account settings, and from the account page, scroll down and select Uber One under your membership or subscription options. Alternatively, you can just tap on Settings and find Uber One under the subscription section. On the Uber One page, look for the Manage Membership option and tap on Cancel Membership or Cancel Subscription. You may be prompted to confirm your cancellation, so follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once cancelled, you should see a confirmation message and you'll still be able to enjoy the benefits until the end of your current billing period. And that's how you cancel your Uber Eats membership or Uber One subscription. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. Thanks for watching.